Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to tell you about the network problem in Vivo Y03. So if the network is not working or you are facing the network related issue, I will tell you how you can fix it. Before I start the video, what you have to do is to follow steps, watch complete video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Now let's watch it.